When it comes to efficiency in freight transportation, it's all about the box.
Everyone has seen the standard shipping container on ships, on trucks, and on trains.
This standard box has revolutionized shipment of freight around the world. The official name for the technology is Intermodal, because that refers to the ability to transfer the container from one mode of shipping to another. Standard container sizes and these corner brackets, coupled with an IBC, which is an intermodal box connector, make the transfer possible by allowing containers to connect to each other, to train cars, or to trailers like this. The reason behind the transfer is optimization,
which ultimately lowers shipping costs for companies and prices for customers. At sea, options are limited. The efficiencies are in scale. But by land, the train is king. It takes trucks to get most freight to its final destination, but when rail is an option, it offers significant environmental benefit. On average, a train is 4 times as fuel efficient as a truck, and that amounts to 75% less emissions.
We're at Norfolk Southern's Whitaker Intermodal Terminal in Austell, Georgia, and I'm with Jeff Amato. He's the manager of this whole facility. Jeff, what happens here?
Tom, a lot happens here. We receive shipments over the road to our intermodal facility. We load it on trains, we ship the traffic out. We also receive traffic on our trains and ground it for our customers. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
How many containers do you see coming through on a regular basis?
Well, on an average basis, Monday through Friday, about 1,000 in-gates and 1,000 out-gates.
How does the whole concept work?
Well, intermodal means 2 different modes of transportation. That can be steamship lines on the oceans, rail systems, but also the trucks and the drivers bringing the freight to the warehouses and to the customers.
When it comes to intermodal, what are the benefits to the consumer?
Because of the efficiencies of the rail network and the intermodal business here at Norfolk Southern, consumers really benefit from lower costs.
Is this the future of rail transit for freight?
We think so. It's a very green product. I mean, we move hundreds of units on one train. It adds value to our economy. It takes some of the traffic off the highways and puts it on the rail systems, gets product there in a reasonable amount of time.
Realize that when you see a train pulling freight, you're looking at less trucks on the road, lower prices in the stores, and a happier planet. Norfolk Southern's Freight a la Mode. That's just another example of green on rails.